Today we're gonna make an easy blueberry sauce with just 3 ingredients. It takes under 10 minutes, and then you will have the perfect sauce for adorning cakes or ice cream or brownies, or using as a plating sauce with tarts. It's a perfect filling for trifles or parfaits. Super versatile, really fast, 3 ingredients. Let's get into it. Blueberry sauce. 3 ingredients, really easy. It's not that serious, but I'm gonna measure for you because I love you. So we've got ourselves a pot, and then we're gonna put about like a dry pint. This is obviously a dry quart. So about half of this into my pot with my blueberries. This is very easy. You can double this, you can triple this, you can make a huge quantity. Because they're blueberries and they have a lot of pectin. So, I'm gonna get myself a zester. So go ahead and zest about 1/2 of this giant lemon into the blueberries. So if you have like normal sized lemons, then go ahead and just do about a full lemon. This just makes a nice floral kind of component. And then we are going to take our lemon and we're going to cut it in half. Got myself a little strainer here. I'm going to get my lemon. Oh my gosh, why did that seem so hard? And then I'm going to juice this straight into my pot. Okay, lovely. I'm going to start with half of that. So that would be, about 1 small lemon. And then we're going to go ahead and take about 1/4 cup of sugar. Now, this is completely variable to your taste, right? So you can adjust this as you see fit. The beauty of blueberries is that they have a lot of pectin already in them, and so they're going to thicken no matter what you do, which is that's a wonderful thing about blueberries. Now, what you do here is you want to go ahead and reach in, test your blueberry, and you're like, do I like that? I do. It's a little tart. It's a little sweet, very blueberry. That lemon brings out all the blueberry flavors. And we're gonna stop talking about it, and we're just gonna go ahead and put our little burner on. Just get her going on high. And we're gonna wait. The only other thing that you wanna have about is something to put your blueberry sauce in. So I'm gonna put it in here, and then I'm gonna cool it, because I'm gonna use it cold on a cake, an angel food cake actually. So, but you can absolutely use this hot if you'd like, or cool it and then rewarm it. So many options, so many choices, all yours. If you find that it's like cooking too fast, or you want to allow the blueberries to release their juices, or maybe you're using frozen blueberries, which is 100% acceptable, even encouraged in the winter months, then you can just turn it down a little bit. Starting to get like nicer, thicker juices in here. Much more like that blueberry red, if you will. The cool thing about this is that you can literally take this off at any stage. You can cook this down into be like a quick blueberry jam. It's going to be thick and kind of like, luscious. Or you can kind of take it off really early and have it be loosey-goosey. But the important thing is that you do want to make sure you want to make sure that the juices around them actually are thickening, and like you see how, these bubbles around the edges are starting to look a little bit more viscous and a little bit more sauce-like, like when you pour it, it drips slowly. So we can start pulling this off at any time. It's about how thick we want it to be. And I want it to be a little looser, but I do want to have some of those, big full blueberries in there. You can also always fold fresh blueberries into your sauce after it's cooled if you want that textural contrast, but I'm feeling pretty good about this right now. It is thickened, it is running nicely, like you can kind of draw a line, on the back of your spoon, and it holds, which means we jam it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this, I'm gonna pull it off this stove. I am not going to get this on my shirt because no, my dry cleaning bill is too much already. And here she is. I'm gonna go ahead and cover this with plastic wrap and pop some holes in it. pop it in my fridge to cool it down. You could also kind of let it cool a little bit at room temperature and then pop it in the fridge if one were to care about what's fridge temperature. And then we're ready to serve it. And now you've made easy blueberry compote. This is like a little tart, a little sweet, and like nice and thick and luscious, and it is perfect for adorning cakes, filling cupcakes, or using as like a plating sauce with any sort of dessert. You could use it to fill a trifle or a parfait. This is a versatile and super easy sauce that you can pull together super fast.